All right, we just finished dinner. What did we have? We had pork belly. We did it on the grill. So yeah, we're still doing the 828 Gems Beach Resort here again after a 7-month absence. Just finished dinner. Now we're gonna head over to the kitchen area and wash our dishes. Yep, we do our own cooking here and wash our own dishes. And it's raining. Ay, ay, ay. Let's check out the kitchen, guys. So yeah, they don't really have much in terms of dining and whatnot here. So you bring your own food, which we did. We already kind of knew the plan, and we marinated enough food, or brought enough food, marinated and brought enough food for 3 nights, and then the 4th night we'll go ahead and hit the market and see what we can conjure up. Probably go out and get some squid or something, we'll see. So anyways, normally what you do here is you just kind of bring your own food, like I said before, and then they have all the dishware and stove tops to go ahead and cook all your food and whatnot. Sink so you can wash your dishes, refrigerator to store whatever it is you bring. So it's kind of cool. A little bit different than the traditional hotel, go eat at the hotel restaurant type deal. You just make your own food, which doesn't bother me one bit. Yeah. So this is it. Kind of a big, long, galley-style kitchen, if you want to call it that. Place to prepare your food. We usually do the grill. They have grills here, and then we just usually drag one down to our room and just grill our food on that, and then we're good to go. But if you got something that you need to cook on the stovetop, not a problem. What are we making here?
For Gems food.
Make a dog food?
Yeah.
What is this stuff? Huh? Liver. Oh, okay.
I prepare all inside at home, and then just reheat it.
So is that leftover rice from earlier?
Yeah.
All right. So now we're making Jam her food. The kids are doing the dishes. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a rainy night here in Redondo Beach. Not a lot going on. Very quiet. That's one of the main things you come up here for. So, all right, there you have it. The kitchen at 828 Gems Beach Resort. This is it. Pretty exciting stuff. All right, signing off for now. Talk to you later. Bye.